In this brand new YouTube Create video, I'm going to show you how to place text behind a subject. Let's start by adding an image. Make sure the clip is not selected. Select your image. Size it up just a little bit. Tap on Remove Background, and you'll select Chroma Key. Move the color picker over top of the white color like this, then tap on Done. Play through the clip to make sure that the image is on screen and stays there. With nothing selected, tap on the text icon to add plain text. Type the text you want to add, something like this. Make sure the text appears on screen and stays there. Go ahead and move it right back to the beginning of the clip and select it so that it looks like this. Drag it out to the end of your video clip. Play through the clip to make sure that the text stays on screen for the entire 7 seconds. The text and image are on screen for the entire 7 seconds. Tap on Style, crank up the size so the text fills most of the playback window. Tap on Font, and choose a font that is easy to read. If you choose a font like this, tap Size and adjust the size like this. If you want to follow the YouTube trend where you have 2 different text colors, you can. With your text layer selected, duplicate the layer, tap on Style, tap on Color, and choose whatever color looks good to you. Tap on Done. Keep that layer selected and tap on Edit. And we want to delete the top line. Long press and place your cursor right here and delete the first 2 words. Then that layer should be selected. Just move the yellow text so that it fits over top like this. Make sure that all of the layers remain on screen for 7 seconds. Once everything looks the way that it should, go ahead and add one more overlay, another copy of this clip here. Make sure that you're at the beginning of the clip, and then add your last overlay. Another copy of the original clip. Resize it so that it fills the entire playback area. Remove the background once you've resized the clip properly. With your clip selected, tap Remove Background. The text and image appear behind your subject. Tap on Done. Go ahead and play through the clip. You can remove the background of the base clip. Just select it and remove the background. Tap on Done. Play through your clip. And this is what it looks like. Try to have your subject looking at the camera. Take a screenshot. And crop it. Tap the check mark and choose Save to Photos.